Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to use magic cut in photopea. Let's get started. At first you have to open your photopea software. Then open a file. Then go to the magic eraser and click right on your mouse, and you can see here are magic eraser. Now I'm click magic eraser. Now click this photo on background. Now here we can see background are removed using magic cut. Now you can see use magic cut in photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.